Oh, good morning. Good morning. Look at what we got. What do we got? What have we got? What's going on? Is it breakfast time? Is it breakfast time? Breakfast? Really? Really breakfast? What would you like? Ham? Eggs? Sausages? We got this instead. This is Tango. He is a spokesman for Well-Bred. Well-Bred spokesman. That's Cedar. Cedar also a Well-Bred spokesman.